volatility. Here we go. MMTs. First Solar's on deck for the earnings. Please, tell me your limit orders that you guys have out for the drop down bid. Go ahead.
120.75 and 148.75.
Okay, so what's the 120.75 is a drop down to go long, and what was the other one?
148 and 3/4 going short.
Okay, so there it is there. Wayne, do you have your limit orders out there? Ronnie, Brian, are you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go. Say hubba hubba hubba.
Hubba
Price
hubba.
action First Solar at, here we go, 133.29 print. 133.29 print. What we are going to do is pull this up right here so that the other MMTs can tell me by reading my other screen there from the live trading room is that the minute you see a headline come across here, we're going to see what that big gap down is, because this is what we do in after hours. We don't like to buy 134.66. We'd rather remove ourselves from the risk. And if they drop this thing down $12, $15, or $10, like we always do with our live entries and after hours earnings, and get hit there and sell it back to some yahoo and make a profit, because there's plenty of them in the marketplace, I can tell you, in the retail aspect of things. So that's what we're doing. And if they pop this thing up like they love to do in after hours and sell it off, well, then we're ready, and we're already got the limit orders out short, right, Mr. Mantalk? Mr. Pfeiffer,
that's right.
Do you got the limit? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So we're on standby for the report. What I am going to do is talk a little bit more about the earnings after hours. First Solar isn't doing anything yet. They haven't reported. We got a very good report out of COHR. Okay. This name here has not come up, but we got some people dropping the bid. They're dropping that bid.
Bounce back up to 35.
They're dropping that bid. They're dropping that bid.
Back up to 135.90.
Look at that tick chart.
36.
Look at this tick. They're taking it higher. It's up a few dollars. This is a knee jerk. You got to be careful.
137.98. Back down to 135.
39.
Yep, 139, 138.99.
It's rolling. You can see the green bar in the live action with those entries. Let's see if they slide that bid. We got shorts $10 above the market. They're sliding that bid quick. You're coming back down toward that closing. They hit that big wick right there at 140 on the short. We got a short in play. I'm going to have them guys
137.
come out. Come out. There. There's that short little thing right there. Here. Type it back to me. I'm looking on the other system. Okay, I don't want people to get hooked on that. So we're going to look and see if we can get short again. It's $2 between the bid and ask. $2 wide. Do you see that, Mr. Mantalk? How about David?
Yeah.
David, do you see that? You see that bid and ask? You see the spread? Okay. Basically,
back down to the neckline. 135.5.
Keep going. What do you guys see? I told you about that short sell up there. We covered a little bit of it. I'm going to get back in. I'm going to get back in. Look at them take that down. I don't even have a report. First Solar. Here, we got it. $1.33 versus $1.16. Revs for $567 million versus $544 million. I don't see anything wrong with the headline number, but I wonder what's behind the headline number. That's your headline number right now on First Solar. 133 versus
back down to 131. 130.
Well, First Solar reaffirms 2011 925 to 975 versus 952. So they're right in the middle there. They see revs of 3.7 to 3.8 versus 3.79 billion. That's why the equity is sliding down. We're going to look at where we get in on the dip. And I'm going to start another live tape, live entries here at stockmarketpundy.com, shorting down that 140 right here. Anybody got a problem with that? There it is. $6 down on that. Report's not all that bad, but I can tell you one thing. We're going to buy the dip. All right.